Iraq, land of ancient history, birthplace of civilizations. But beyond the echoes of the past, a vibrant natural world thrives. From soaring mountains to sun-drenched deserts, Iraq's landscapes teem with life. These diverse habitats provide sanctuary for a surprising array of wildlife, each creature a vital thread in the rich tapestry of life. Dawn breaks over the Mesopotamian marshes. A chorus of birdsong fills the air. The unmistakable call of the Eurasian bittern booms across the water. These elusive birds, masters of camouflage, blend seamlessly amongst the reeds. Their deep, resonant calls, a haunting reminder of the wild beauty that persists. Venturing into the western deserts, a different soundscape unfolds. Here, the Arabian red fox rules the night. Its sharp, barking calls pierce the stillness, a signal to others in the darkness. These cunning hunters, adapted to the harsh desert conditions, play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem. High in the Zagros Mountains, the nimble Persian leopard finds refuge. These elusive cats, with their distinctive spotted coats, are masters of stealth. Their rasping calls, rarely heard by human ears, echo through the mountain valleys, a testament to their enduring presence. Back in the marshes, the waters teem with life. Schools of fish shimmer beneath the surface, providing a feast for the many birds that call this place home. The vibrant hues of the common kingfisher, a flash of electric blue as it dives for its prey, add to the spectacle of this unique ecosystem. The sounds of Iraq's wildlife, a symphony conducted by nature itself. Each call a reminder of the intricate web of life that connects these creatures, their survival inextricably linked to the preservation of their habitats. It is our duty to ensure that these wild voices continue to resonate for generations to come. The future of Iraq's natural heritage depends on it.